आंध्र प्रदेश बीजेपी अध्यक्ष पीवीएन महादेव ने युवाओं खासकर 25 वर्ष से कम उम्र की लड़कियों से राजनीति में सक्रिय भागीदारी की अपील की है। दरअसल बीजेपी कार्यालय में आयोजित बीजेएमवाई बैठक में उन्होंने कहा कि युवा जनता की समस्याओं के समाधान के लिए आगे आए और विपक्ष के भ्रामक प्रचार का जवाब दे। उन्होंने आपको बता दें कि पोलावरम परियोजना के केंद्र से 100% फंडिंग मिलने और राज्य में 14 लाख करोड़ रुपए के निवेश का भी उल्लेख किया है।
So today Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha has organized state level meeting of all district presidents and state office bearers on the eve of 12 years completion of Narendra Modi's rule at center and also 2 years rule at state level. We are organizing lots of events, lots of programs are being organized around the state. We want to showcase all the development activities that happened to the state of Andhra Pradesh. We'll be organizing Pragati Padayatra in all the places where in which all the development projects have come up. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha will be specially focusing on exhibitions to be organized around the state. We'll be organizing exhibitions at bus stations and also railway stations in a big way. And we'll be showcasing what all the development that happened around the 12 years, the transformational change that was brought to India and also to Andhra Pradesh. And 2 years of Andhra Pradesh government, wherein which lots of schemes have come in place, lots of projects have come in place, investment has come in all directions. We'll be showcasing and we'll also be educating the public regarding the transformational change that was brought to Andhra Pradesh and the state and the country. So we'll be organizing this exhibition till 20th of this month.